Folks, I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on assembling your parts. Okay, so I've already assembled, what is this, like 4 of my 5 parts. And now I need to add my blue part in, alright? And my blue part needs to be rotated before it can be assembled, and you might run into the same issues as you're going on as well. So, again, select your part, find the axis that you want to rotate it around, okay? So I want to rotate it, because this arc is going like this, I'm going to select that. If I wanted to turn it like this, I could select that axis. So you can go around, you can start grabbing your axes, but this is the axis that I want. And I want to turn this thing 90 degrees, so I'm going to type in 90 and hit the enter button. Alright, so now I'm ready to come through and mate this to the rest of my system. Alright, so let's grab that. And that's going to go and attach to that corner there. Click the checkbox. Okay, so now I'm done. So I'm going to go back to my original orthographic view, and we're just going to take 2 pictures like we did originally. Alright, so we're going to come up here, we're going to say print, zoom out, we're going to reposition, make sure that you're, well, yeah, all that stuff's fine. And then, again, download an image. Okay, so that's going to be the first image you attach to the assignment. Then we also need the opposite side of this piece here. So we will flip this thing around, go to the bottom. Again, we're going to zoom out, go to print, go to position, and then download. Alright, and then you're going to add those 2 things to the assembly portion of the project, and you're going to hit the submit button, and then you can start moving on to your exploded view from there. Alright, hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.